Before you begin, remove 7 of the rubber inserts: the stand bottom cover, the fan, the M.2 solid-state drive if it's installed, the heatsink, the speaker mesh, the speakers, and the motherboard from the stand top cover assembly. Removal. Remove the 4 P2 Phillips head screws that secure the volume dial board bracket to the stand top cover assembly. Lift the bracket off of the stand top cover assembly. Remove the volume dial board cable from its routing channel and disconnect it from the volume dial board. Remove the 2 P2 Phillips head screws for the plastic bracket on the side of the stand top cover assembly to easily remove the volume dial board. Using minimal force, pry the volume dial board off of the stand top cover assembly. Note that it is affixed with strong adhesive. Remove the volume dial board. Replacement. Align the small holes on the volume dial board over the small locator pins on the stand top cover assembly. Using minimal force, press the adhesive side of the volume dial board down onto the stand top cover assembly. Replace the plastic bracket on the side of the stand top cover assembly with the 2 P2 Phillips head screws. Connect the volume dial board cable to the volume dial board and route it into its routing channel on the stand top cover assembly. Place the bracket over the volume dial board and replace the 4 P2 Phillips head screws that secure the volume dial board bracket to the stand top cover assembly.